Android 17 Beta 4 is now officially rolling out to Pixel devices. Here's how to check for update and download it to your Pixel phone. If your Pixel device joined the Android Beta program, you can see this Android 17 Beta 4 update. To check for the system update, open the app drawer and tap Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. Checking for the update. This update will install a beta version of Android 17. Update size is 1.07 gigabytes. Download and install to your Pixel, and let's see what's new in Android 17 Beta 4.